So hello everyone, welcome to the channel Learning Phonics, and here in this new episode we are going to talk about the long vowel sound of the vowel E. So earlier we have completed A, long vowel A. In this episode we are going to start with the long vowel sound of the vowel E. So as I've already said that every vowel is going to say its name. So E here is going to say E, its name. That is B, E, B. Second, simple, we're gonna take M, E, me. So basically we call them sight words when we are teaching the children short sounds, but this is how they are supposed to be read. Alright, so number 3 we're gonna see is E, go, ego. Number 4 is E, O, hero. And number 5 is going to be E, he. Alright, so next one, again every vowel is going to have a consonant E. So in A we have seen there was A consonant E. Now E has again E consonant E words. Okay, so now number 1 we're going to see is E, v, eve. Number 2 is going to be E, theme. Number 3 is going to be a little difficult word. Let's take another one, that is D, E, D, L, E, T. Okay, so again here also if you see it has 3 E. Okay, so E consonant E is going to be this one, not the first one, and this first E is saying its name again. Okay, that is the single E, this one, this E, it's this E, and E consonant E is the second one. All right, so D, E, D, L, eat, delete. Number 4 is going to be these, T, E, Z, these. All right, so let's take a number 5. Why don't you tell me one word with E consonant E? You can comment down below. Right, number 3 we're going to do is I, E. That is E, it's going to say E. Now see, when there are vowels, there are 2 vowels here. Okay, so you're gonna tell your children the same story, that I and E together, they were friends, but then they were fighting one day, and I was saying that I want to say my name, and E was saying that I want to say my name. So then can you tell me who has won? Of course, that is E. So I says, it's okay, let's not fight. I will zip it and lock it and keep the key in my pocket, and you say your name. So E says, okay, I will say my name. Alright, so here it's not saying its sound, it's saying its name. Alright, so number 1 we will see is Ch, E, F, chief. Number 2, E, F, thief. Number 3 is B, E, B, L, E, F, belief. Number 4 is E, S, sneeze. Now why is C here saying S and not K? This we are going to cover in another video, not here. Alright, so why don't you tell me number 5, what can be the word here that has IE, which is going to say E. Alright, D is going to be EE. So EE, here the story is that E and E, they were twins and they were fighting. So E says that I want to say my name. This E says I want to say my name, and this E says I want to say my name. So the mama comes and the mama says, ask them that what happened, why are you fighting? So both of them tell mama that I want to say my name, and the other one say I want to say my name. So the mama says that you both are twins, and doesn't matter who says the name, even if you say the name or you say the name, your name is going to be the same. E, that is E. All right, so this is how you can tell your children. So number 1 you're gonna see is S, E, C. See, it's very simple. Next one is Fr, E, free. And number 3 is T, E, teen. Number 4 is eat, meat. And why don't you tell me what is number 5 going to be? Can tell me any word that has double E which says E. Alright, so in this video we have covered the long vowel sound of letter E, but not entirely. We still have to complete 4 more. Alright, so that we're gonna do in the next video. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. And yeah, see you next time.